Best way to season a black stone is cook a bunch of bacon in it. Yeah, we're going to check out Diamond Caverns. This is another cave system here, and you know, instead of going back to Mammoth Cave, we're going to check this out. Got a lot of good reviews, excellent reviews and stuff, so might be a lot of fun. Diamond Caverns. You know, we didn't know anything about this. This has been here longer than Mammoth Cave as far as allowing visitors. Well, I'm going to put the GoPro back up because they don't allow recording, any kind of recording in the cave. So I'm headed back to the truck, going to put this up. So I'll have some pictures stuff. Go check out the marina. They've got a little little cafe, not a cafe, but a place to eat. Yeah, a little restaurant, a little drive-in, a walk-in. But yeah, we're gonna check it out. This start makes you feel a little drunk. I don't know. I'm sure there's alcohol consumed while these people are boating. Check out all the houseboats. they appear to be closed. Yeah, come to find out, we asked the guy that working in the store that they're only open on weekends, so my loss.
Or our loss.
Our loss. It was pretty good. It's pretty walk up through here though. But this is what we gotta do now. We gotta go up that hill. It's a stairway to nowhere. And here we go up the hill. It is oppressively hot today. Yeah, we got some leftovers to warm up, and what we're gonna do is just a little bit of charcoal and things wrapped in aluminum foil, so we're gonna just stick it on the grill, warm it up, some chicken wings and some Italian sausage. Yeah, only the A part of this these campgrounds are open. The other the B part is, which is a prettier spot. It's got more lakeside spots to park and everything. It's closed right now. So but we've got probably the shadiest spot in the whole campground, which we're enjoying that part. All right. It's our final evening before we leave to go home in the morning. Yeah, last fire of the trip. We'll be heading back first thing in the morning, back to Mobile. Stay home for a few days and then hit the road again for Texas. I've never seen so many lightning bugs in my life. Good morning. We are heading home. Fortunately, there's a Buc-ee's in our future, but we are on, was it the Cumberland Expressway, and we'll be getting on I-65, and that's going to take us all the way home. So no little side roads or anything like that today. So we should be home fairly, in a decent hour. Yeah, we made a stop, of course. She got her sausage biscuit, and I got me a barbecue brisket and egg burrito taco thing. Well, we made it into Tennessee. About to get into Nashville, which I'm not looking forward to that part. Yeah, I can tell we're getting into Nashville. This is what I was afraid of. The rush hour traffic.
It's 20 miles an hour.
Yeah, we're barely moving. It's alright, just going with the flow.
That's all we can do.
Tennessee River, coming into Alabama, close to Huntsville. This is beautiful through here. We are stuck in a traffic jam in Birmingham, Alabama. So I think this is where we're going to cut the video off. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the bell, everything. And we'll see you on the next one.